Students, today start the chapter 12, direct and inverse variation. Direct and inverse variation. Now, what is the variation? There are many quantities which are vary according to variation in some other quantities. Like example here, if the cost of pen is rupees 15 and 2 pen cost 15 into 2, 3 pen cost 3 15 into 345 and so on. Here the total cost of pen depend upon the number of the pen, hence the total cost depend upon the number of the objects. So this is the variation of the example of the variations. Now look at here the direct variations. Direct variations, a variation which varies directly with another quantity is known as direct variation. Look at here, number of books 1 2 3 4, cost in y, 82 ja 160, 83 ja 240, 83 4 ja 320. This is the example of the direct variation. Example of the direct variation. Now let us your exercise 12.1. Your question is, a mason is paid rupees 200 for 5 days. Work for how many days did he work in a month? If he get rupees 1200 in the month, look at here, write down the here paid and days. Rupees 200 for 5 days and rupees 1200. Suppose that x is equal to number of days is equal to x. Number of days is x. This is the question of the direct variation. So now 200 upon 1200 and is equal to 5 upon x. 5 upon x. 200 upon 1200 is equal to 5 upon x. Cancel out the zeros. 2 zeros cancel. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now cross multiply. Here the cross multiply, x is equal to 5 into 6. X equal to 5 into 6 equal to 30 days. How many days? 30 days here. Okay children, now look at the next question. The weight of 12 identical boxes is 150 kg. What will be the weight of 8 such boxes? Now look at here. Here is the number of the boxes. 12 boxes weight is 150 kg and 8 boxes. Suppose x kg weight. Suppose x kg weight. Here let. Okay children. Now this is also the question of the direct variation. Now apply the formula. 12 upon 8 is equal to 150 upon x. Okay. Now x goes to the numerator and is also, and 12 is goes here denominator. Now value comes to 8 into 150 upon 12. Now cancel out the table of the 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay children, now in your numerator 2 and 50 are remaining. Now 2 into 50 is equal to 100 kg. Weight of 8 boxes is 100 kg. This is your answer. Okay children, now look at the next question. The railway fare for a journey of 120 kilometer is rupees 1200. What would be the fare a journey of 550 kilometer? Now distance in kilometer and fare of journey 240 kilometer, cost of journey is rupees 1200, and 550 kilometer, suppose cost is rupees x, cost is rupees x. This is the question of the direct variation. Now apply the formula. 240 upon 550 is equal to 1200 upon x. Now cross multiply here. Now cross multiply here. 1200 into 550 upon 240 is equal to x, is equal to x. First of all, cancel out the zeros. 0 0 cancel. 24 5 ja 120. Now 5 multiply by 550 equal to 27 and 50. Answer 2750 rupees. 2750 rupees is the answer. Now question number 9. Question number 9. A car traveling at a constant speed travels 250 km in 6 hours. What distance will it cover in 9 hours? What distance will it cover in 9 hours? Now distance 250 km in 6 hours. X kilometer in 9 hours. This is direct variation. Now 250 upon x is equal to 6 upon 9. 250 into 9 is equal to 6x. Now value of x equal to 250 into 9 upon 6. Now cancel out the result. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, and 2 cancel out 125 here. 125 3 ja 370. Answer is 375 kilometer. Now next question is your a family expenses for 4 weeks and 5 days is rupees 3000. What is their expenses at the same rate for 6 days and 6 weeks and 2 days? 6 weeks and 2 days. Now 4 weeks and 5 days is equal to weeks convert in the number of days. So 4 into 7, 4 weeks means 4 into 7 and plus 5 days. 4 7 ja 28. 28 plus 5 is equal to 33 days. Now 6 weeks and 2 days means 6 into 7 plus 2. 7 6 ja 42 plus 2 is equal to 44 days. Now days equal to 33. Now expenses is rupees 3000. 44 days, suppose x rupees expenses here. Expenses is x rupees. This is the question of the direct variation. Now 33 upon 44 is equal to 3000 upon x. 3000 upon x. Now x cross multiply here. 3000 into 44 upon 33. Now table of 11 3 ja 33 and 11 4 ja 44. Again cancel out the 1000. 1000 into 4 is equal to 4000. Here 1000 multiply by 4 is equal to 4000. 1000 multiply by 4 is equal to 4000. So answer is expenses for 6 days, 6 weeks and 2 days is rupees 4000 is the answer. Now indirect or inverse variation. Indirect or inverse variation. A variation in which a quantity varies indirectly with another quantity is known as indirect or inverse variation. Let us consider with the help of an example. Suppose a train starts from a place P, take 2 hours to reach a place Q with 120 km from P and a particular speed of 60 km per hour. While coming back from Q to P, technically fault occurs and the speed of the train gets reduced to half of its original speed. In this case, the train obviously take double time. Take double time. It took while going from P to Q. The speed of x of the train and time taken y by the train is tabulated as here 60 and time taken by 2 hours, 30 and time taken by 4 hours. So this is in clear. Look at here. In above example, it is clear. Speed of the train is decreased, but time taken by the increase. Time is increase and speed is decrease. So this is the example of indirect variation. Example of indirect variation, very inversely. Okay, children. Now exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. Check whether the followings are directly or inversely related. Length of the sides of a square and its perimeter. This is a directly related. Income and saving if the expenditure is fixed. So this is directly related. Length of the sides of a square and its area, it is a directly related. Time of investment and interest earned if the rate of interest is free, this is also a directly related. And look at here, number of people and the number of days for which the fixed quantity of food can last, this is a inversely related. Okay, number of people and time taken to complete a work, this is also a inversely related. Now next question. In a varies inversely A as B. A varies inversely as B. Value of A 20 when B 600. Find B when A 400. This is a varies inversely A 20, A 400, B 600. Now find the value of B. Let B is equal to X. Let B is equal to X. Now inversely related now is equal to A 400 into X is equal to 20 into 600. 400 into X equal to 20 into 600. Now X equal to 20 into 600 upon 400. Now value of X is equal to 30. Next question. If 20 sheep can graze a field in 30 days, how many sheep will graze the same field in 15 days? Right here number of sheep and other is grazing in a field. 20 sheep graze in a field in 30 days. Now suppose X sheep grazing a field in 15 days. Now varies inversely. 20 into 30 is equal to X into 15 or 20 into 30 upon 15. Now 15 2 ja 30. Now 22 ja 40. 22 ja 40. So here 40 ships. Ships are 40. Okay, children. Now question number 8. A contractor employed 100 workers to complete a project in 4 months. If he had employed 125 writer, in how many months would he be able to complete the project? Now number of worker is equal to 100. Complete the work in 4 months. 125 workers, suppose x month. Now this is inversely proportional. Indirect. Now 100 into 4 is equal to 125 into x. Now x is equal to 100 into 4 upon 125. Read down the table of 25. 25 5 ja 125, 25 4 ja 100. Now 4 4 ja 16. 16 upon 5 is equal to 3.2 months. 3.2 months. Now next question. 20 women can do a job in 5 days. In how many days will 25 women can do the same job? Now number of women and do a job. Let 20 women do a job in 5 days. Suppose 25 women do a job in x days. X days. This is also inversely proportional. So write here 20 into 5 is equal to 25 into x. Now x is equal to 20 into 5 upon 25. Read down the table of 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20. Now x is equal to 4 days. X is equal to 4 days. Answer is 4 days. Question 13. A family of 16 had enough for food to last them for 20 days. If 4 guests arrived suddenly, how many long will the amount of food last? Number of member of family 16, provision of food 20 days. Now 16 plus 4, because 4 members are arrived, guests are arrived. Suppose here is x days. X days. This is a varies inversely. Now 16 into 20 is equal to 20 into x. 20 into x. Now x is equal to 16 into 20 upon 20. Value of x. Now 20 20 here cancel. Now answer is x is equal to 16 days. X equal to 16 days. This is the answer. Okay children, it's over.